Alright guys, well, I've rebuilt my kayak. It's still a little terrifying because August 2020 my kayak rolled. I was in the water for 45 minutes. I didn't have all my safety equipment. You know, I bought the kayak used. Nobody told me anything about safety equipment. They don't make videos about safety equipment. They don't, you know. So I had to do my own research, get my own safety equipment, get a VHF radio, you know, get a new life vest, get all the safety equipment I need. Because, and I even put outriggers on it this time. I'm not messing around because, you know, you cannot underestimate that water. That water will defeat you every day, 24/7, no matter what. Because you can swim as much as you want, but it's all about stamina. If you ain't got the stamina, you're going under. So I'm hoping today I conquer my fear, I get back on that water and not be fearful, to be honest with you. Alright, so I'm approaching fishing territory, and let me tell you, man, my gut is just like spinning in circles right now, just, you know, not knowing what's gonna happen, hoping that it'll be a good trip, hoping that all the outriggers that I built was correct. You know, it's just, I'm hoping to have a good day. That's all I care about right now. But yeah, it's a little terrifying still, I'm not gonna lie. Getting back on that horse, so to speak, is not as easy as you think. Well, here I am, about to get ready to hit the water. Unlock my car. Hopefully I didn't forget anything. I don't think I did. I put outriggers on this. I gotta get it in the water first though. So far, so good. The balance is pretty well. It's not rocky. Those outriggers really did a good job. Man, I'm happy now. So far. Let's see here. Still gotta fix my fish finder, it seems. This looks like fun here. I wonder how many people lost their hooks. Just right here. Nice calm day though. This asshole flying. Now I'm about to take on a wake because he wants to fly. This is gonna be fun. Too heavy of a bucktail. There we go. He's on. Oh, that's a nice one. Swallow the hook again. Always swallow the hook. Come on, really? There we go. Alright. Alright, don't hook me though. I think that one's a keeper anyway. For those who ask me how to de-hook a fish, if it has teeth, you might want to get yourself one of these. Because this one has teeth, as you can see. Alright, come on, give me it, give me it. Yeah, that one definitely looks like a keeper. Oh, you mother. Yeah, that's a keeper. There. That's a keeper, folks. Well, if I learned one thing, it's never to catch one fish in front of two people fishing, because they'll end up chasing you the entire day, even after you moved about 15 times, because they think you know where the fish are. And there's a lot of water, and my fish finder isn't even working right now, so I don't know where the fish are, and that's why I'm headed back this way. Plus I got the drift pushing me on the opposite side, I got the wind against me, so I'm pedaling back this way. When the drift kicks up again, I don't have to pedal that much. Yeah, so my seat just broke, so now I gotta head in because it's doing this. So it's gonna be fun. I pedaled pretty far out, so holding on to these handlebars, trying to get back now. I think I can. I think I can. Feel like that little train when he's trying to get there, or whatever the hell that cartoon character is. Like, I think I can get there. I think I can. I think I can. Well, kind of had to take a minute to take a break and recover here. I can't stop pedaling, because if I stop pedaling, I'm just drifting backwards more. And the wind is picking up. So, just taking a minute to chill out for a minute and keep pedaling to that bridge. I don't know if you can see it over there, but that's where my car is parked. And I was all the way back there. So, with a broken chair, this is going to be fun. Almost there, but I'm exhausted. Every time I take a break, I drift further and further, so I can't even stop to take a break no more. I think I pedaled at least a mile with a broken chair and wind blowing right at me. So I try a different method out right now, and that's basically because my back's killing me. So is my feet. I got like the muscles of a gladiator right now, and I'm trying to just get back. Steering and pedaling at the same time, man, that's that fun. They're a broken chair. Okay, update. I'm close. Just need to take a break again because I gotta go through that bridge and I don't want to hit a piling, so I kind of have to like gun it through it. So just drifting here. Alright, here's gonna get hairy here. Alright. So now my car is over there, so now that I know where the wind is taking me, kind of just gonna relax, pedal it easy, because it's still gonna push me in anyway. So I get back, somebody decided to give me a flat tire. So just for shits and giggles, in case you were wondering what decided to take a shit on my day, were these clips right here, which were in the front. And this was in the back, and this was in the back. The back ones were good. So since I can't drive on the highway without fixing this, I went and I got me some plumbing hangers similar to electric conduct, but these are metal, so it's not coming off this time. By the way, I fixed my tire, by the way, with the world's most expensive tire plug I ever bought in my life. A whopping $25. Because there was no place that had it anymore. Everybody was sold out. The only place that had it was Napa.